Come here, Tammy. Look. There he is. Uh-huh. I see him. My gosh. Do you think he live here? I don't know. I'm gonna ask him. I'm gonna ask him. Don't ask him. Don't ask him, Mom. I'm gonna ask him. Here he comes. Here he comes, Mom. Ask him. Ask him. Hey, how you doing?
Oh, hey, hello, ma'am. How are you?
I want to ask you, do you live around here?
Yes, I do. I just purchased my home right over there. Right over there, I purchased my new home. I like to walk around this beautiful neighborhood and get some exercise in. Nice and peaceful. I love it.
You did? Oh, over there on the other street?
Yes, ma'am. It's just a block away. Yeah, I'm headed back home now.
Oh, okay. I seen you walk around here more than once. I think he looks kind of cute, Mom. Tammy just wanted to know. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. My name is Tammy. Bye. Hope to see you later. Bye. Tammy. There goes our property buyer. What you mean, Mom? It might be time to move.
My cousin just bought a house in this area too.
Welcome to Sunflower, pretty has a price. Neon drips like honey down Sunflower Street. Heels keep time with the pulse and the heat. Halo on the skyline, sins in gold. Smile like a secret that's dying to be told. Petals on fire, thorns in bloom. Every little room of perfume's a room. Sunflower world.